Welcome to another mini vlog Monday. I'm going to be shooting this old-fashioned coffee grinder. It's Kelly's grandma's from the 1970s. Not going to be doing much talking today because I'm kind of sick and I don't want to talk that much. So here is the shoot. Here we go. 50 mil. We didn't like the black bar of our deck. We're trying to raise it up. We got a nice box, we've got a stool, and we've got the surface that's kind of odd, so that's kind of funny. Bring it down close, tilt it towards it. Now start pouring. Okay, stop. 3, 2, 1, pour.